Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the dispenser grill in a Kenmore refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new dispenser grill. The dispenser grill is located at the bottom of the dispenser cavity. It provides a solid surface to put cups onto. The most common reason to replace the dispenser grill is if it's simply missing. To remove the dispenser grill, we need to press down this inner edge of it, and then we can pull it out. This is the old dispenser grill next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new grill in, we just need to simply drop it down. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.